In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your Google Slides in just 5 minutes using the updated 2025 interface. This quick guide will help you protect your presentation from unwanted edits and keep your design secure while collaborating with others. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Slides by typing slides.google.com in the address bar. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're signed in to your Google account. If you aren't, enter your login details to gain access. Always keep your credentials private, especially when using shared computers. With your account ready, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage where all your presentations are stored. You can either open an existing file or create a new one. For this tutorial, click on the blank presentation option to start fresh. Now that your slide deck is opened, take a moment to review your content. Once everything looks good, it's time to begin the locking process. Move your cursor to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, hover over Download and you'll see several format options. Here, select pngimage.png, current slide. This will save your current slide as an image file, freezing all the text, shapes, and graphics in place. The PNG format ensures high-quality visuals and prevents others from making direct edits to your content. Once the image is downloaded, return to your slide. Delete the editable elements if you wish to replace them with the static version. Next, go to Insert, click Image, and choose Upload from Computer. Locate the PNG file you just saved, then insert it into your presentation. Drag the image to align it perfectly with your slide, resizing it to cover the entire canvas. Now, your content is effectively locked. It looks identical to the original, but cannot be modified. If you have multiple slides, repeat the same steps for each one you want to secure. For larger presentations, you can also download the entire file as a set of images through File, Greater Than, Download Greater Than JPEG or PNG, all slides, and reinsert them. This method is great for team projects, classroom materials, or finalized business reports where design consistency and content protection are key. For an additional layer of security, you can adjust sharing settings. Click the Share button in the top right corner, then select Viewer Only or Commenter Only for collaborators. This ensures others can view or suggest changes without directly editing your original work. And that's it. You've successfully locked your Google Slides presentation in 2025. By converting slides into image files and re-uploading them, you can safeguard your hard work and maintain a professional finish. It's a simple yet powerful trick to prevent accidental or unwanted edits. Don't forget to save your file and back it up on Google Drive for easy access later. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more practical Google Workspace tutorials that help you work smarter every day. Happy presenting!